Good morning, children. Today we are going to understand chapter number 8, Janmadina Utsavah. Here, Sandhi Shabda is there. Janmadina means birthday, Utsavah means celebration. So, here a birthday celebration is here of one girl, which name was Dhara. So, let us understand some Sandhi Shabda and some present tense in this lesson, and there is some new words. If you want to write by pencil in your textbook, you can write by pencil. So now chapter number 8, Janmadinotsavah. Dharayaha Janmadinam Asti. So here there was one girl, her name was Dhara. Dharayaha Janmadinam Asti. Today is Dhara's birthday. So Dhara's birthday is there today. Sa Nuttan Vastram Dharayati. Sa, it is using for female, and if boy is there, so Saha we are writing. Means you can say like he and she. So Sa Nuttan Vastram Dharayati. Dharayati means it is if our birthday is there, so we are wearing a new clothes, right? So Nuttan means what? New. Dhara is wearing new clothes on her birthday. सा नूतन वस्त्रम धारयति. धारयति यानी धारण करना, पहनना, राइट? सो वी कैन यूज दैट वर्ड एज अ वेयरिंग. शी इज वेयरिंग अ न्यू क्लोथ्स. माता धारये मिष्टान्नं ददाति. If our birthday is there, so we supposed to distribute chocolate in the class. We can bring small and big chocolates. So whatever things are there, that we supposed to celebrate. So Dhara has brought sweets to distribute in her class. Misthana means what? It is a sweets. So her mother has given to distribute sweets among the children. Dadati means she gives, right? She is giving sweets to distribute to the classmates. Sa misthanam vidyalaye anayati. Anayati means brought. She is bringing that sweets into the school. Vidyalaya means school. Anayati yani lekar ai. It is a present tense. Anayati means it is a present tense. So she brought sweets into the school. So now second paragraph. Sujla Bhagini Dharaya Shikshika Asti. The name of a teacher was Sujla Bhagini. Sujla Bhagini means Sujla ma'am. You can say Sujla teacher name is there. So Sujla Bhagini Dharaya Shikshika Asti. Sa Dharam Pruchati. Here Pruchati is the present tense. So if we every day coming to the school in a uniform, right? But if your birthday is there, so you will wear new clothes, you will wear new shoes. So if you are coming in a other dress, so teacher will be surprised only. So she has asked that anything is special today. You have worn new clothes, so anything is different today. So teacher is asked Sa Dharam Pruchati. She has asked to the Dhara. She has asked Adhya Kim Vishesha. Adhya means today, right? Kim means what? Vishesha means special, different, we can say extraordinary, you can say. Vishesh means we are considering this lesson as a special. So teacher has asked to the Dhara that is there any special today? Something is special today? You have wore new dress. So what is there special? Dhara Vadati. Dhara saying to the teacher, Adhya today Mama my Janmadinam Asti. Today is my birthday. So she will be happy only that wow, very good, your birthday is there. We also becoming happy, right? When we are celebrating in the school, we are feeling so good, so happy for that, to distribute chocolates and all, to celebrate our birthday with our friends and classmates. So it will be different feelings, right? It is a different kind of emotions. So Dhara also becomes so happy, and she has told to her teacher that my birthday is there. Mama means my Mama Janmadinam Asti. My birthday is there. Today is my birthday. सुजलाधारम अभिनंदनम ददाति. So teacher has wished to her Sujaladharam Abhinandan means she is saying happy birthday to Dhara. Dadati means she is giving a place to the Dhara. Dhara says Veena Bhagini Kutra Asti. Kutra means in a Sanskrit Kutra where, we can say where. Where is a Sujala Bhagini? Where is a Veena Bhagini? She asked. Sujala teacher says Sa Karyalaya Asti. She is in the office. Karyalaya means office. So Dhara went to the Veena Samipam Gachati. Dhara went to Veena madam. Sa Vadati, she says to her. Vadati means she is saying to her, Mahoday, ma'am, Krupya Prathana Sabam Agachatu. Agachatu means, Gach means jana, right? Agachatu means please you come into the Pratna Sabha. Pratna Sabha, we can say assembly, we can say prayer room, right? We are supposed to do prayer over there. So, Pratna Sabham. So, ma'am, please come. Krupya means, ma'am, please, with a very respect, Dhara says to the Veena ma'am, that please, ma'am, come to the assembly, come to the prayer room. Veena Vadati, Veena says, alright, Aham Agachami. Alright, I am coming. I will come. Dharayaha Sakhi Mamta Amrapali Vrukshasya Parnani Anayati. Dharayaha Sakhi. Dhara, the friend of Dhara, her name was Mamta. Sakhi means friend. Mamta is the name of her friend. Amrapali Vrukshasya. Amrapali is the name of a Ashoka tree. Ashoka, you can say in Gujarati Asopalo, right? So it is a sign of a good thing. Something good we are doing at home also. If a birthday is there, Havan home is there, then if any marriage function is there, and Diwali also if coming. So whenever any very good days are coming, so we are keeping this toran over the door side. So that is why Amrapali Vrukshasya Parnani Anayati. She has brought leaves of a Amrapali Vruksh. She has brought Asopalo trees leaf. Sa Toranam Granthati. She has made Toran. Toran बनाना, if you know that तोरण हम जो दरवाजे के डोर स्टेप होते हैं ना उसके ऊपर लगाते हैं. दरवाजे के ऊपर के भाग पर हम तोरण लगाते हैं जब कोई अच्छी बात होती है या तो कुछ अच्छा होने वाला होता है. तो दिस इज़ अ साइन ऑफ अ हैप्पीनेस. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स इट बिकम्स सो शुभ होता है, ऐसा माना जाता है. वैशाली प्रातः खड्डे सुशोभनम करोति. वैशाली was her friend and she was decorating Pratna Sabha, right? She was decorating assembly hall. So Sushoban karna means to decorate. She was decorating prayer room. Dhara Saraswati Matuha Stitra Samipam Gachati. So it is a very good thing which Dhara has done to celebrate her birthday. Why? Because nowadays we don't like to celebrate our birthday in a school, in an assembly hall and all, because they wants to celebrate outside, right? But here she wants to celebrate her birthday in the school assembly. Dhara Saraswati Matuha. Saraswati Matu means goddess Saraswati. She is went near the picture of a Saraswati Mata. Chitra Samipam means near the Chitra Samipam Gachati. Adhya Dhara Ekadashme Varshe Pratishati. Actually it is a Pravishati is there, but Pratishati is wrong. Adhya means today. Dhara is entering Ekadashme. Ekadashme means 11. Varshe Pravishati means today she is entering in a 11th year. Ataha, that is why Sa Tatra Ekadish Dipana Prajwalayati. Today she is entered in 11 years, so she has light a lamp 11. दिवाली को जो दिए आते हैं ना, ऐसे उसने 11 दिए जलाए. सरस्वती प्रज्वालयति मीन्स शी इज लाइटिंग अ लैम्प. सरस्वती मातु ह वंदनाम करोति एंड शी इज गोइंग डाउन टू द सरस्वती माता की. सरस्वती माता आप सदैव हम पर कृपा दृष्टि रखना जिससे हम अच्छा पढ़े लिखे और आगे बढ़े. सो दैट इज़ वाई शी इज़ टेकिंग ब्लेस फ्रॉम द गॉडेस सरस्वती. वंदना करना यानी उसकी पाठ पूजा करना. अनंतरम देन व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर दैट यज्ञ अपि भवति. यज्ञ मीन्स होम हवन जो करते हैं हम घर पर, जो अग्नि की जो पूजा करते हैं, दैट शी हैज़ डन. यज्ञ ऑल्सो वॉज देयर. धारा अक्षय पात्रे मुष्टि धान्यम स्थापयति. अक्षय पात्र ऐसा पात्र होता है जिसके अंदर कभी ना कभी कुछ भी ख़त्म नहीं होता है. जैसे कि कल्प वृक्ष होता है. कल्प वृक्ष में अगर आप कुछ मांगो तो हमेशा कल्प वृक्ष आपको देता है. सो कल्प वृक्ष जैसे कि कामधेनु गाय होती है, तो कामधेनु गाय के पास भी अगर आप कुछ मांगो तो वो आपको देती है. सो हियर देर वॉज अक्षय पात्रे मुष्टि. मुष्टि मीन्स वॉट? फीस्ट, राइट. आपकी जो मुट्ठी है उतना धान्य. धान्य मीन्स ग्रेन्स. शी इज स्थापयति एंड शी इज गिविंग ग्रेन्स ऑफ अ वन फीस्ट इन द दैट पात्र. अनंतरम सा शुभ संकल्पम करोति. देन व्हाट शी इज डन? शुभ संकल्प. ऐसा माना जाता है कि बर्थडे जब होता है तो अच्छी कोई आदत हमें सीखनी है या तो अपनानी है, और कोई बुरी आदत हो वो हमें छोड़नी है, क्योंकि यह हमारे लिए स्पेशल डे होता है, राइट. सो ऑन स्पेशल डे वी शुड गिव सम प्रॉमिस विच विल बी वेरी गुड, राइट. सो वन गुड प्रॉमिस वी हैव टू टेक अ ओथ. सो कोई अच्छी आदत हमें डालनी पड़ती है, जो बुरी आदत होती है उसको छोड़नी पड़ती है. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग वी हैव टू डू. संकल्प करना यानी नियम बनाना, या तो कोई अच्छा ऐसा रूटीन बनाना, रूल बनाना. शुभ संकल्पम करोति. आचार्यः जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशिषं ददाति. आचार्य मीन्स प्रिंसिपल. जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशिषं ददाति. शी इज गिविंग गुड ब्लेसिंग्स टू द हर. सो जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशिम यानी अच्छे आशीर्वाद उसको देती है. वीणा धाराम आशीर्वादम ददाति. वीणा ऑल्सो गिविंग ब्लेसिंग टू द वीणा टू द धारा. सुजला अपि आशीर्वादम ददाति. सो वीणा मैम एंड सुजला मैम एंड आचार्य ऑल आर गिविंग ब्लेसिंग्स टू हर. अन्ते धारा सर्वेभ्यः मिष्टान्नं वितरति. एट द लास्ट, अन्ते मीन्स एट द लास्ट, धारा सर्वेभ्यः मीन्स टू ऑल, मिष्टान्नं वितरति. वितरति मीन्स व्हाट? शी इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग स्वीट्स अमॉन्ग ऑल. सर्वेभ्यः यानी जो भी बैठे थे उन सबको वह मिष्टान देती है, यानी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है. धारा अतीव आनंदम अनुभवती. एंड इट इज़ वेरी गुड थिंग. लाइक दिस वे शी हैज़ सेलिब्रेटेड हर बर्थडे अमॉन्ग टीचर्स एंड क्लासमेट्स विथ अ वेरी फुल्ली एन्जॉयमेंट. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट स्वीट्स ऑल्सो डन. होम ऑल्सो, हवन जिसको बोलते हैं ना, यज्ञ. Havan also she has done, and with her friends and classmates she has celebrated her birthday. So she feels so happy to celebrate in this way. Now आचार्य श्लोकम गायति. जो आचार्य है, जो प्रिंसिपल है, शी हैज़ सिंग वन श्लोका. सदा भवतु सुखिना. ऑलवेज बिकम हैप्पी. ऑलवेज यू बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज. सदैव च निरामयः. ऑलवेज बिकम फ्री फ्रॉम डिजीज़. आपका आरोग्य हमेशा स्वस्थ रहे. विद्यावंती यशस्विनः. विद्यावंती मीन्स बिकम यू बी वेरी एजुकेटेड. विद्यावंती मीन्स अच्छे से पढ़े लिखो और आगे बढ़ो. यशस्विना मीन्स यू शुड बी फेमस फॉर योर लाइफ टाइम. मीन्स अच्छा नाम कमाओ, अच्छा पढ़ो लिखो, नाम कमाओ. बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नेचुरल थिंग कि पढ़ोगे तभी तो आगे बढ़ोगे. हमारे एक पंच लाइन है कि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. तो आगे बढ़ने के लिए पढ़ना भी ज़रूरी होता है, तो पढ़ना तो आशीर्वाद देना ही चाहिए. एंड देन यशस्विना मीन्स यू विल बिकम अ वेरी, हमेशा आपकी कीर्ति आकाश में ऊंची रहे. भवन्तु चिरजीविनः मीन्स ऑलवेज बी फॉर 100 years. यू लिव फॉर 100 years. यू लिव फॉर how much you live, you should be free from disease also, become healthy also, become happy also, become educated also, and become you get fame by your knowledge. So here I am completing chapter number 8, Janmadinotsavah. So this way also we can celebrate our birthday in a very good manner. और सबसे अच्छी बात इस लेसन में जो है शुभ संकल्प करने की, कि आज के बच्चों में बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है टू गेट एनी गुड डिसीजन, सो दैट विल बी मेक योर सेल्फ वेरी परफेक्ट ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक। सो शुभ संकल्प करना चाहिए, और कोई भी बुरी आदत जो होती है, जो बुरा मीन्स विच इज़ योर बैड हैबिट, वो आपको छोड़नी चाहिए। सो हियर आई एम कंप्लीटिंग चैप्टर नंबर 8 जन्मदिनोत्सव, and you have to complete your meanings and exercise in your fair book and textbook. Thank you.